Hello, hi, I'm Punita here from Huawei Global Training Center, and today we're going to discuss about the content FDD and TDD site solution, part 4. So let's look into FDD and TDD site solution. So we have a distributed matching device with TDD LTE and FDD LTE. So what are the components mainly we use for this solution? DCDU, the circuit breaker, direct current distribution unit. We have ETP module, ILC29 cabinet, IMB module cabinet, a small cabinet, INS, rack, IFS, this is the indoor floor subrack, APM30, outdoor cabinet, TMC, transmission cabinet, and OMB, outdoor monitoring box. So we have two solutions for FDD and TDD. So we have solution 1 and solution 2. So solution 1 is 1 BBU with FDD and TDD, and solution 2 is also FDD and TDD with 1 BBU. Power supply, we are using the same power supply unit, DCDU minus 12B. Application scenario, the first solution will be from TDD, we upgrade to FDD plus TDD. For solution 2, it will be FDD upgraded to FDD plus TDD. In the cabinet, we are using the same type of cabinet, ILC29 and APM30. So let's look at solution 1. TDD upgraded to FDD plus TDD. So before, this one is actually should be before. So before we have one UBBPD and one UMPTD, which is connected to 3 different RRUs and one GPS antenna. So when we want to upgrade to FDD, so what are the new modules that we add over here? We add a new UBBP hardware and new RRUs. And the UMPT, we upgrade to, from TDD, we upgrade to multimode, which is TDD plus FDD module. So the software need to be upgraded over here. So what is the expansion plan over here? The UBBPD and UPEU are installed in the TDD subrack. TDD and FDD share the main control board. The UMPT board is the same. New single mode optical fibers and optical modules are delivered for FDD. If the DCDU model 03, 11B and 12B is used on the live network, at least 3 circuit breakers must be available. New power cables of FDD RRUs must be delivered because we are using, why this one is new model? Because we have additional RRUs. It is recommended FDD RRUs and TDD RRUs use separate antennas. That means we cannot have a sharing concept over here. Let's look at solution 2. FDD upgraded to FDD plus TDD. So for this case, before we had one UBBPD, one UMPT with GPS antenna. We have 3 separate antennas and 3 separate RRUs. And after, we have a new UBBP board, new power supply unit, and we have new RRU models. So expansion plan will be a new UBBP is added for the TDD LTE side and it is placed at slot number 2. And after expansion, the TDD LTE side, FDD side will share the same main control board. So over here will be FDD plus TDD module. So the software need to be upgraded over here because the hardware is the same. The FDD, RRU and TDD are recommended to use independent antenna. So GPS clock can provide frequency synchronization for the FDD LTE side and time synchronization for the TDD LTE. Because FDD we are using frequency, TDD we are using time synchronization. So it's recommended TDD RRUs and FDD RRUs are cascaded. Alright, so we have a cascaded concept here. Only when the FDD RRUs are remotely deployed. So when they are remotely deployed, it has to be cascaded. So in other scenarios, it is recommended TDD RRUs and FDD are not cascaded. So cascaded is only when FDD RRU are remotely configured. Q&A session, true or false? When TDD is upgraded to FDD and TDD, it is recommended that FDD RRUs and TDD RRUs use same antennas. The statement is false. FDD RRUs and TDD RRUs are recommended to use independent antennas when FDD is upgraded to FDD plus TDD. The statement is true. So for this summary, FDD and TDD site solution, we discussed about 2 solutions. Solution 1, it was from TDD upgraded to FDD and TDD mode. And solution 2, we discussed about FDD upgraded to FDD and TDD mode. So that's all from me. Hope you enjoy the session. Thank you and bye.